Namaskar, you're watching Adya's show, and today we have Adya reporting live from New Delhi's random street. भीगी भीगी सी है शर्ट, भीगी भीगी पैंट, भीगे भीगे सॉक्स, भीगे भीगे जूतों में कैसी नमी है. हा 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 हा. बादलों का ऐसा साया सर पे है मेरे आया, मुझको भिगाया, मुझको सताया, रोड बनी नदी है. Hi, so neither we have entered into the rainy season or the monsoons have arrived early, but this rain is an after effect of the cyclone Taukete. एक मिनट. Taute. I want to know about the origins of this name. Like Taute, here in Delhi we call uncles Tau. Today we are going to talk about rain, an unending rain. Just listen. I am a person who usually loves rain and enjoys rain a lot. Recently I have realized that I only enjoy the rain until it's in the limits, and especially if it's in the rainy season, because right now already we have just come out from the harsh long winters, and now again this rainy thing is happening. The roads turns into rivers, and I have this little dog living with me. Actually, I'm not only concerned about my poo-poo, I'm concerned about all the other animals as well, because we have a lot of stray animals like cows and dogs. And when it rains so much, it becomes an inconvenience for them. You will not believe how was I even uploading my videos. Oh god, let me just show you the footage. This is a real footage, I'm not lying. देखा, due to this continuous rain my internet was down, so I had to upload my videos, so I had to stand in my balcony and wait for some good speed while I was getting soaked in the water. Now I can clearly understand why people living in colder regions like sunny weather than the cloudy weather, because if sun doesn't comes up for a few days, it starts to feel so depressing. I mean, I just love rain, I just love clouds. For like 2 or 3 days the sun didn't came up, it was all rainy and cloudy, and I started feeling so low. The same clouds I used to enjoy, I was feeling like singing the song rain rain go away, come again another day, everyone is waiting for the sun. I don't know how to play guitar, so this is the most I can do. I know that these cyclones and all these natural calamities are not something to be made fun of, but yeah, I live in New Delhi, but in here we don't get any of these very often, so we actually don't feel the horror even after watching the same in the movies, because these Hollywood movies have. Let's get off track from the topic for a minute and talk about the Hollywood movies. Yeah, every year this Hollywood is churning out so many movies, and with this one scene which is essential, and that scene includes the Hollywood sign going down, all of the New York City going down, the White House in Washington DC is getting destroyed. I mean, why? After watching so much of destruction scenes in these movies, just because of this my emotions and my brain has become so confused that how should I even react when am I watching this real destruction, or it is some Hollywood movie scene, and for which I don't have to give a genuine human empathetic reaction. These movies have made me insensitive, but my brain is so confused, it cannot distinguish between the reality and the fiction now. Well, all the jokes apart, but if you are living in a place which has really got affected, our prayers, our wishes are with you. Our prayers, stay strong and stay safe. Just stay, everything will be fine again.